How to change Google account's password. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your Google account's password. Now, from here, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Chrome browser. From here, you just tap on your account and then tap on manage your Google account. So this will open up your Google account info. Now, from here, you just want to head over to personal info. And now you just have to scroll down until you see your password section. Just go ahead and tap on password. From here, it will ask you to verify yourself. So if you have set up any passkey, you can continue with that. Or you can try another way by entering your current password. So go ahead and enter your current password. From here, tap on next, and then it will directly take you to this page where you can enter your new password. So just go ahead and enter your new password and confirm your new password. Then tap on change password and you're good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.